Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing this awesome rice with lots of veggies. I hope you enjoy this recipe because this is super healthy. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need a cup of rice and some water. Add some salt and more water. Put it into the fire to boil. In about 20 minutes, this will be done. When it's boiling and the rice is cooking, let's chop an onion and grate a carrot. In a hot pan with some oil, add the both ingredients. First, add the onions, and after, the carrots. Then add the peas. I'm using some frozen peas, but you can use any type you like. When the rice is done, add into the veggies and mix. Add some pepper and you can plate it. You can add some grated lemon too. And this is the result. I hope you enjoy this recipe. It's super easy to make. And subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. If you like this video, give me a like. Thank you for watching.